Saving money is a challenge, especially for people that live in Australia, a first world country, where you get everything. You basically get everything you want. When you think about it, right? You've got shelter, you've got food, you've got nothing to worry about. And so you just tend to be comfortable. A lot of people, in my opinion, don't save money. They just haven't been brought up in that habit of saving because there might be something in the future that could be a risk for them. They haven't got that sense of wanting to have a nest egg, wanting to have a security blanket. I know a lot of people that earn 100K, 150K, but they've got no savings. There's literally no money in the bank. And they're going from paycheck to paycheck, they're paying loads of money on rent. And to me, it all has to do with the mentality of somebody. I could just say, form a budget, try to lower your expenses, don't buy the coffees, don't go on holidays. I could say that. And everybody would say, yes, that's reasonable to do. But the question is, nobody does it. Everyone knows that's what they should be doing. But the question is, why aren't they doing it? The answer is because they haven't developed the discipline, the mindset. It's all about developing disciplines in your life. If someone wants to start saving and they know they've got a problem saving, don't start with trying to save $100 a week. Start with saving $5 a week and just do that for 3 months. And then after that, increase it to $10. You gotta go slowly, incrementally, because if you're not responsible, if you don't know how to be responsible for $1, you're not gonna be able to be responsible for 100 or 1,000 or 1,000,000. It doesn't matter. You need to understand how to be responsible with $1 first before trying to do anything. And a really good book to read around this is The Richest Man in Babylon. And in that book, it really develops a strong sense of just being very disciplined with how you spend your money, how you save. And it's all about discipline. Discipline is probably the most important thing when it comes to saving.